course, my business partner, Sam Versosa. Has anyone seen that handsome Mr. Versosa? Where is Mr. Sam Versosa? Siguro hindi siya lalabas, hindi yung pinapalakpakan kasi. Yon! Guys, my very handsome business partner, Mr. Samuel Versosa. Actually, I'm smitten by the sheer volume of people. Granting na we just gave away tickets a few days ago and sold tickets a few days ago in Napuno. Meron pa yata sa labas and meron pa sa taas. Meron pa I want you guys to have a good time. Do you promise you will have a good time? It seems like you're bored when you're watching, you're just staring. I can't hear you. Guys, nag-warm up pa lang. That's why watching those dancers, I'm extremely, not just warmed up, I'm steaming hot already. Alam mo guys, the reason why we put up front row is to discover more and more and more and more and a lot of talents. So if you guys are into modeling, dancing, acting, singing, everything, front row is for you. I'm surprised by the progress of Red Capsule. I remember, Sam, when we first did Red Capsule 1, with Mr. Anton Garceliano. It was very, very crude. It was just a thought that we wanted to open more doors to front row members, not only in business, but also in terms of print modeling and photography. And now looking at Red Capsule 5, I promise that Red Capsule 5 will beat all the Red Capsules ever. So, anything to say, Sam?
Possible. Of course, the best creative team sa country today, led by my partner, R.S. Francisco. Yung photographer natin, si Mr. Carlos Antonio Garceliano.
Of course!
Our director, si Mr. Alain
Flor.
And Nessie Ortiz, of course.
The fashion show director.
Miles Andaya. The models, the staff, the collections of Butch Marcos of Green Cap.
I thought you were going to say Butch Francisco.
Butch
Marcos of Green Cap, and also Ann Jacob. Of course, Adam DeLumen of Havoc, and the celebrity designer and the stylist to the stars, Mr. John Herrera, who's here with us now. Thank you, John, for spending time with us. I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of Britain's Got Talent finalist, Madonna Desceno, of course. And syempre, kung Sabado ng gabi, wala kayong magawa, nanonood kayong TV, ano ba pa rin? Walang tulugan. Of course, nandiyan ang isang host natin, si Mr. John Knight. So we have special guests now. Ayoko nang patagalin. I would like to propose a toast to Red Capsule and to Front Row. Can I ask Mr. John Herrera to join us on stage? And Mr. John Knight, the two Johns, for tonight, to help me drink wine so I don't drink. Mr. John Knight? Yeah. The wine glass to Mr. John Herrera. Of course, Mr. John Knight.
But she wants EZP. She said I'll pull hours, but she PVC.
Of course, I can't give wine glasses to everybody, so there's wine there. Dun sa medyo ininom na niya. Ininom na mag-toast pa tayo. Yeah, Mr. John Knight, sir. Thank you, malapakan niyo naman. So I'd like to propose a toast to, of course, everybody who's helped. Nokia, Philippine Star, Canon, Digipost, PC World, ABS-CBN, Mr. Alan. Of course, Dolce, Kung wala Dolce, wala tayong pag-performan. Thank you very much, Dolce. Kuya Alfie, thank you very much. DJ Mike, thank you very much. The show's about to start. Ann Jacob, thank you. Adam De Lumen, Sir John Knight, thank you very much. Parang naman maalam na ako John Herrera, do you have anything to say, Mr. Herrera? Follow him on Twitter, Mr. John Knight, thank you.
I just would like to congratulate everyone. This is my second event with you guys. I feel like this. It was just an accident that I came over here, but hey gosh, I like to have a lot of accidents. I'm having fun, and I hope all of us will have fun tonight. With that exciting event today.
Thank you. Let's cheers. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Imaginary glasses, guys. And